Want a shrimp quesadilla in a flash? Pre-cooked shrimp are a lifesaver. First, heat a lightly oiled pan and put in a whole wheat tortilla. Layer on some reduced fat cheese and the shrimp, then top with more cheese and another tortilla. Cook until golden brown and crispy on the first side, then flip and cook for another minute or two until both sides are beautifully golden brown. For a veggie twist, I like to saute some sliced zucchini with olive oil and a seasoning mix. Today I'm using a handy pinto bean blend for a fiesta flavor. Here are my favorite seasonings to make dinner quick and delicious. Serve with a little reduced fat sour cream, small amount of avocado, and some corn for a full meal.